Hello, students of class 9. Now I am going to start question number 21 of exercise 6.2. Of exercise 6.2, I am going to start question number 21. 21, it is given that in an AP, prove that TP plus TP plus 2QH term is equal to 2 TP plus P plus QH term. You have to prove. That is, let's see here. 21, left hand side, pH term, that is TP, and P plus 2Q, P plus 2QH term, that is TP plus 2Q. This is equal to A plus P minus 1D plus this is again A plus P plus 2Q minus 1 into D. So A plus A, it is 2A. Again, between this D is common, so D is common. P minus 1 plus P plus 2Q minus 1. So this comes out to be equal to 2A plus D 2P plus 2Q minus 2. Now 2A plus 2 common, D P plus Q minus 1. So 2 common, A plus D P plus Q minus 1. So 2, this is T P plus Q8 term. This is P plus Q8 term. And we can write a T P plus Q. This is equal to right hand side. This is proved. Now I am going to question number 22. Question number 22, you see this. In an AP, if the mth term is n and nth term is m, then find pth and m plus nth term. It is given that mth term, that is am, is equal to n, and nth term and an is equal to m. Therefore, am, that is equal to a plus m minus 1d, this is equal to n, and an, that is a plus n minus 1d, is equal to m. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now I am going to simplify, that is 1 minus 2, here the sign changes. Now a cancel outs, so this is a d is common here, so m minus 1 minus n plus 1, here this is equal to n minus m. So d minus 1 plus 1 cancels out, m minus n, here I am going to take minus common, so m minus n, and d is equal to minus 1. I got the value of d. Now putting the value of d in any one of this equation 1 and 2, I will find out the value of a. Now from equation 1, a plus m minus 1d is equal to n, a plus m minus 1d minus 1 is equal to n. So a, this is how much? This is minus m plus 1 is equal to n. So a will be equal to m plus n minus 1. So I have got the value of d and a. Now I will find the value of pH term as it has been asked in the question. AP, that is equal to a plus p minus 1 into d. Value of a is here m plus n minus 1, p minus 1. Value of d is, this is the value of d, minus 1, minus 1. So m plus n minus 1 minus p plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancels out. It comes out to m plus n minus p. Now I am going to see the answer, back answer. In the back answer, is, you can see, it is m plus n minus p, m plus n minus p. This is your answer, p8 term. Now there is one more question in the same, one more question is there. We have to find m plus n term, this m plus n term. We have to find the m plus n term. Now, to find the m plus n term, m plus n is equal to a plus m plus n minus 1d. Now putting the value of a is m plus n minus 1, value of a. So m plus n minus 1, and the value of d is minus 1. Value of d is minus 1. Now we are going to simplify it. Minus m minus n plus 1. See, minus m plus n cancels out, and minus n cancels out, minus 1 plus 1, the answer is 0. This is your answer. Now I am going to question number 23. See, question number 23. If alpha and beta are the pth and the qth term of an AP, then show that the sum of the first p plus qth term of an AP is this. So as it is stated in the question, AP, this is alpha, and your AQ, this is your beta, it is given to you. So AP, A plus P minus 1 D is equal to alpha, and AQ, that is A plus Q minus 1 D is equal to beta. This is equation 1, and this is equation 2. Here I am going to find out the value of A and D. I am going to use the method of elimination method, that is 1 minus 2 minus minus minus. Here A cancels out. Now D common. P minus 1 minus Q plus 1 is equal to alpha minus beta. D, P minus 1 minus Q plus 1 is equal to alpha minus beta. Minus 1 cancels out. So D, P minus Q is equal to alpha minus beta. So D is equal to alpha minus beta by P minus Q. Now I am going to find out the value of A. Now value of D I am going to substitute in any one of these two equations, equation 1 and 2, any one of these two. I am going to select equation 1. So from equation 1, A plus P minus 1D is equal to alpha. Putting the value of D, A plus P minus 1D alpha minus beta by P minus Q is equal to alpha. Now A is equal to alpha minus P minus 1 alpha minus beta by P minus Q. Here your LCM is P minus Q. So alpha P minus Q minus P minus 1 alpha minus beta. This is your value of A. Let me simplify it further. That is alpha P minus alpha Q minus P alpha minus P beta, then minus alpha, and this is plus beta, bracket close, P minus Q. This is equal to alpha P minus alpha Q minus P alpha plus P beta plus alpha minus beta P minus Q. Here plus alpha P minus alpha P cancels out. Only the terms left are minus alpha Q plus P minus alpha Q plus PB alpha plus alpha minus beta P minus Q. This is the value of A. This is the value of A. Now I am going to find out P plus qth term. I am going to find out P plus qth term. So A P plus qth term, that is P plus Q by 2, 2A plus P plus Q minus 1 into D. Putting the value of A here, p plus q by 2, 2 a value is minus alpha q p beta plus alpha minus beta closed by this is 2a plus p plus q minus 1. Value of d is, this is the value of d, alpha minus beta p minus q. This is the value of d. Now again I am going to simplify it by 2. Here this is I have by p minus q, a value of a. Now here we are going to simplify it. The LCM is p minus q, therefore minus 2 alpha q plus 2 p beta plus 2 alpha minus 2 beta plus this is p plus q minus 1 alpha minus beta. I am going to further simplify it, that is p plus q by 2, this is minus 2 alpha q plus 2 p beta plus 2 alpha minus 2 beta. Now this is p alpha minus p beta. Similarly, plus q alpha minus q beta minus alpha plus beta by p minus q. Now you see one thing here, p plus q by 2. Here you see minus 2q alpha and q alpha, this two. This comes out to be minus alpha q. 2p beta and minus p beta, that is p beta. 2 minus plus 2 alpha and minus 2 alpha, it is plus alpha. Minus 2 beta and plus beta, it is minus beta. And the remaining left are plus p alpha and minus q beta. This is left here, and p minus q. Now I am going to write this in another page. Let me write here again. P plus q by 2 minus alpha q plus p beta plus alpha minus beta plus p alpha minus q beta by p minus q. I have written it again. P plus q by 2. Now here this and this, your common is here, your common is alpha, p minus q. Now between this and this, here common is beta, so p minus q, and remaining this is alpha minus beta by p minus q. So this is equal to p plus q by 2. This comes out to be p minus q common between these two, alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta, p minus q. Now you see one thing, p minus q by 2, p plus q, LCM has been divided into two parts, p minus q alpha plus beta by p minus q plus alpha minus beta by p minus q. Here p minus q cancels out, p plus q by 2 alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta, p minus q. See, this you have to prove in the question. You can see half, this is 1 by, this is half, this you can write as 1 by 2 p plus q, this alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta by p minus q. This, see, this and this is the same, which you have to prove it. This is proved. Now you can see this is all about question number 23. All about 23. Now I'm going to question number 24. Question number 24. This is question number 24. If the first, second, and nth term of an AP are A, B, and L respectively, then show that this and this. First, second, and nth term. That means first term, that is A1 is A. Second, that is A2 is your B. And the nth term is your L. Now, okay then, first term, that is means A, second, that means your common difference is B minus A, second minus first. Now A nth term, that is A plus n minus 1D by, this is your nth term formula. So nth term is your L and A is your A plus n minus 1, D is your what? B minus A. B minus A. Now B minus A. Okay then. Now you can see one thing here. That is I am taking this A this side. L minus A plus n minus 1 B minus A equal to B minus A, L minus A by B minus A equal to n minus 1. Now L minus A by B minus A, there it comes plus 1 is equal to n. So B minus A is the LCM. B minus A, L minus A, here it will be 1 plus B minus A is equal to n. Now this is L plus B minus 2A by B minus A equal to n, minus common from on numerator and denominator, minus common 2A minus B minus L by minus common A minus B. So 2A minus B minus L by A minus B is equal to n. Here you can see we have to group n is equal to 2A minus B minus L by A minus B. So 2A minus B minus L by A minus B. Here I have to apply implies that, implies that, implies that, implies that, implies that, implies that, implies that. Now the second question is, the second part of this question is this one. Second part, that is Sn is equal to A plus L. This is your second part. So Sn is equal to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 D. You can write this formula like this also. A by n by 2, A plus A, n minus 1 D. See, this is plus. This is the nth term, n by 2, A plus, this is your nth term. Your nth term is given to you, that is L. Nth term it is given to you. The nth term it is given to you, it is L. Nth term is L. So this, and now your value of n, which you have already calculated, value of n, that is value of n. This is the value of n. 2A minus B minus L by A minus B. Just I have to put the value of n here. I have to just put the value of n here. 1 by 2, comma, 2A minus B minus L by A minus B, A plus L. Just I am writing as it is given in your book. A plus L, 2A minus B minus L by 2A minus B. This is put. This is the question. This is put.